Hello. I have decided to make a video on something I found out and built about, and it's basically a fully automatic cannon, but you need a lot of cannons. So, to make it, you basically just build something that you could put your camera under, like this, and then you stand on it, get your cannon, look like as close as you can to the block, and then just keep clicking with your cannons. And this will lag out the placing for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's because there's like so many parts that you're looking at in a single block. But this will melt down basically any wall. Like it can one shot a gold wall. Okay, so now that I got all my cannons there, if it looks like this, it looks like a normal cannon, but with a giant flare, and it should be ready. I think you also need a pretty good computer to do this. But like this will shoot through this entire wall if like someone who had combat on placed it down. So anyways, you can't activate them with just clicking, so you will need like a lever. But once you get a lever, you could click it and then it'll activate all the cannons at once. So when you shoot, something like this happens. And it lags. But yeah, it's a fully automatic cannon. What more do you want in life? Oh my gosh, they have one too. Oh well, I have like a lot more cannons than them, so mine's just better. Oh, blue team does have combat on. You know what? I'm gonna turn on combat and see what happens. Yes, they missed. Oh, oh my gosh. I missed, but they didn't. Oh my gosh. Ow, my ears. What? There's still cannons there? Bruh, this is a... It's stupid. How did that miss? What do you mean that missed? Literally, my man's building a wall. Alright. Yeah, let's build a wall too to protect. Oh wait, why build a wall when I literally have a base that does this? Yeah, you could also have a wall of cannons that do that. It's pretty overpowered. I don't know. The yes cannon it's why would Chill Thrill think it's a good idea to do this? Like when he was developing this, what was he thinking? Yes, we need to be able to shoot an infinite amount of cannons at once. Like it one shots anything in its path, basically. Like see, that was like a solid wall of like obsidian, and it completely deleted it. Why? It does cause a lot of lag though. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.